Hey guys, so today we're going to be making turkey meatloaf. So right here I have 2 pounds of turkey, ground turkey, and I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of my ingredients. Have oatmeal, red onions, a Worcestershire and mustard, garlic and parsley, milk, eggs, and I'm going to go ahead and mix that all together until it's well combined. Now that we have everything mixed together, I'm going to go ahead and get our loaf pan. So the loaf pan is just going to help me get the shape that I want. So I'm going to add that all into the pan. And I'm just going to create the shape. And after that, I'm going to get my flat baking sheet. And then I'm going to spray it. And I'm just going to flip the loaf right on top. And then I'm just going to fix it and mold it into the shape that I want. Now I'm going to go ahead and make the sauce for the meatloaf. So I'm going to go ahead and add some ketchup, apple cider vinegar, tomato paste, brown sugar, onion powder, garlic powder, and some Worcestershire sauce. Go ahead and mix it all up, and there you go. All right, now go ahead and get your meatloaf. I'm just gonna go ahead and fix the shape. And I got that sauce that we just made, just spread it on top evenly and try to avoid those big clumps of tomato paste. I'm gonna go ahead and pop that in the oven for 400 degrees for about 50 minutes. Make sure you save half of that sauce. We're gonna use the rest for later, okay? Now that our meatloaf is all done, I'm gonna use the rest of the sauce and spread it evenly on top of our meatloaf. And then it's gonna go back in the oven for another 20 minutes. All right, now our meatloaf is all done. It's so soft and tender. I hope you and your family enjoy it. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and also stay tuned for more recipes.